Well, when we were setting the posts, the Beyond Steel posts, we found that it was extremely easy when compared to something like the steel ones. They had lightweight, that just made the job a breeze. Setting the post yesterday. So today our bodies were feeling fresh and ready to go for the sleepers, but with the FRP sleepers, how lightweight they were. We were transporting 3 at a time, carrying them over with one hand, and just dropping them into place. Not worrying about your fingers like you do with the concrete sleepers when you're setting them. So it was a breeze today. It was really good. That's no comparison with the weight difference, the strain on your body. You don't need 2 men to lift anything. You can carry it yourself, and you don't pull at your back. Also, you don't have to operate heavy machinery at all to move things around site or set any sleepers or any posts. It's just a no-brainer. In total, about 45 minutes. Just took 6 at a time, 3 at a time into each bay, and just one-handed put them in. It was really easy. I just think they're awesome. 100% would recommend using them. It's good on your body. It's cheaper because you don't have to use the machines and diesel. Just the sheer ergonomics of putting and setting them is far easier than using a machine to set the concrete posts. The concrete sleepers, sorry. It's just the time you save and the labour you save is just fantastic. The Beyond Steel posts are far easier than the actual steel ones. The lightweight, if your measurement is off at any point, it's very easy to reset it, and the ability to pre-line up all your holes with the posts. You can carry 7 or 8 over at a time if you want to, so instead of 1 or 2, it's better on your body, it's quicker, and it's just everything all around is easier to use. We're catching up to the pour with the concrete quicker than the way you can pour, so it's really good. With the post when we were setting, we found there was no sinking at all, like what you would get with the steel. The steel would sink a bit and you have to come back and recheck them. With the Beyond Steel posts from FITTA, that we found that once they were in place, they were good to go, which was awesome. We needed an excavator, just a little 1.8 excavator, an auger, and just a bucket just to the backfill. Essentially, it was pretty simple, pretty easy to do. No straps or anything like you would with the concrete, which is a lot easier. So it was the time, and we're saving time and diesel, which is very good. Save more time next time, 100%, absolutely. Once an hour, the measurements take a little bit to get used to, but that's the same as any new product. But once you got them, 100% we'll be using them again and be saving a lot more time next time. Start using it as soon as possible. Your body will love it.